Hey girls, and welcome to The Rice Effect, where we focus on the things that affect you. Now, my name is Stephanie Rice. Now, if you're new or you just haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you press that red subscribe button. And while you're at it, press that notification bell and choose all so that you don't miss out another video of mine. Now, last week, you saw me make a most amazing henna hair mask / gloss. Now, this gloss was amazing because it strengthened, it moisturized, and it brought an abundant amount of nutrition to the hair and scalp, okay? So I made a scalp treatment and I also made a hair mask. Now, right now, what we're going to do is recap some of the ingredients that I added into that hair mask and scalp application. But if you'd like to watch the entire tutorial, which is around 8 minutes, not really that long, make sure that you look above and you'll see the link. Just press on that link and you can watch that before this video or after, whatever the case may be, okay? But I'm just gonna recap that and then we're gonna move right along because today I'm going to be applying it onto my hair and scalp and you'll be able to see the most positive outcome, okay? All right, let's get to that recap.
Henna, banana, clove, neem for that scalp, amla, shikakai, and ashwagandha. Beautiful.
So here we have the scalp application, okay? And then here is green tea, saw palmetto extract, and a little bit of glycerin. Now that green tea is a DHT blocker and so is the saw palmetto. Saw palmetto was cultivated originally by the Native Americans or the indigenous people of America. You know, I think it's so special because it has so many beneficial properties. Okay, let's get to it. So I'm doing this. How you been feeling? How's everything going? I mean, you know, how do you feel about, you know, the world opening back up now? You know, that's something else. But you still have to protect yourself because, you know, in the United States, what they're saying is there are still, the incidents are rising and that there are still like 50,000 cases a day that have increased to 60,000, you know, so it's still rough out there, even though they're not talking about it. So just take care of yourself. But honey, I got some masks, some new masks. I know you're like, so what, some new masks? But these masks are like, they're clear. Because, you know, I'm a singer and a gig came up. And honey, I am scared to death to do it. But if I don't, you know, that blocks off work for me. So I got some clear masks and I'm going to show them to you. I'm going to do an unboxing so pretty soon. So I'm going to show them to you. You're going to see them there. And so it's for a house party, you know, and this house party is kind of shishi-foo-foo. And they make sure that everyone on the guest list is has been vaccinated. Isn't that so? Oh wow, that feels good. So yeah, put it down in the comments how you feel about that. You know, the world opening up. You know, because it affects us all. You know, people going back to work, going back to school. I know it's only like a couple of months of school, but they got them back there. Great. Now here is our deep conditioner. We have mud or the scalp application so that none of the conditioner gets on your scalp. And that's pretty cool because you know that just pure ingredients right there going through. Sometimes you know, conditioners can really clog and you don't want that. You know, and especially, let's talk about henna because henna, it can be very messy, you know, but you see, I'm not really making a mess, you know, but it'll turn your hands orange. Yes, indeed. You see, it already has started. I really don't care. But a lot of people do, and that's fine. Especially people that, you know, wear the nails. So you should wear gloves, you know, if you're caring about your nails and stuff. Oh, it's coming out really nice. Oh, see, that's what we want because that's what this henna is going to do. Is it's going to make the curls pop and it's going to strengthen the hair. And I got some grays in the front, so it's going to turn them into like an auburn color, which, you know, I hope with this application it does. You know, it's either one application or over time it will. Nice, look at that, isn't that cute? Woo! So when you're using henna, you definitely want to cover your floors. That's what I did. I covered my floors. But I have come to the conclusion that I'm gonna get like a rug from like the discount store, like a little rug, and then just put it under me. You know what I'm saying? And then if it gets dirty, I'll just take it out in the backyard and just put the hose to it and let it dry, you know? Something you don't care about, because I really care about this floor because we just got it done. And it's light. You know, dark colors, whatever, but light, no, you don't want to mess that up. Oh, this is coming out really nice. It's a little grainy, I would say. But the thing is, after you do a mask like this, you know, whether it be a scalp mask or whether it be, you know, a DC or whatever the case may be, with Ayurvedic powders, you should co-wash afterwards. Not wash with shampoo, but co-wash. And then rinse with, you know, cool water. Because you don't want to rinse everything out. Now I'm just going to put more and more on the ends because you know the ends are the oldest, so they need so much care. Okay, I'm just going to put on the shower cap. Wanted to show you, I just finished co-pooing and just rinsing you know, all of the remnants out, the grains and stuff like that. And I just wanted to show you, you see this curl definition? This is nothing in my hair. There's no product in my hair, anything. And look, this is where my gray was. You see how, I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of turned it to blonde. And the more and more I do it, or kind of a little coppery, but the more and more I do it, the more it's going to turn into a copper look. which I love. But a lot of the times when my hair is moisturized, you never can tell the grays anyway. But I love that highlight. You know, if you ever have that problem where you have grains in your head after doing, powdered extracts and things of that sort, just do the mermaid. It works every time. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I truly appreciate you for coming. And make sure that you press subscribe and press that notification bell so that you don't miss not another video of mine again. And if you like this video, please make sure that you share it with someone else, because if you enjoyed it and found it useful, there's someone else out there that may find it useful too. Okay, until next time, bye.